Bakery Fair is rising, shining brighter and better than ever. As we gather to celebrate the largest assembly of local and foreign counterparts of Filipino-Chinese Bakery Association, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome to our 14th Bakery Fair 2025. This event is not just a celebration of bread, cakes, and pastries. It is a testament to our unwavering faith and unity to remain steadfast in our mission and commitment to empower and uplift the entire baking industry and contribute to the nation's growth. This event is more than just a trade show. It is a movement to elevate the standards, quality, and aspirations of the Philippine baking industry.
Bakery Fair has been home to educational, modern, and innovative breakthroughs in bakery that we are proud to experience year in and year out. You can't buy happiness, but you can bake it.
This year's Bakery Fair is not just for bakers, entrepreneurs, or industry professionals. It is for everyone, whether you are a seasoned baker, small business owner, or simply a lover of cakes, breads, and pastries. Bakery Fair 2025 is a dynamic collaboration, a camaraderie of brotherhood, a celebration of creativity and innovation, and enriching competition.
This event is much awaited not only by the baking community to showcase the latest trends, techniques, and technology in the industry. Aside from that, it is also a much awaited event by food enthusiasts as well as aspiring entrepreneurs who would like to explore opportunities in baking and food businesses. Rise and shine. You will continue to rise. You will continue to shine for our country and for our fellow Filipinos.
I sincerely wish Bakery Fair 2025 a complete success. May everyone gain a lot from the exhibition, achieve more cooperation, and jointly promote the baking industry to new life.
Together, in Bakery Fair 2025, let us rise and shine for the future of the Philippine baking industry. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.